What's your thoughts on scared money doesn't make money?
Um, to me, scared money doesn't make money. At least where I'm from, in my neighborhood, that was more of like a tactic of kind of punking you into taking action. I believe scared money doesn't make money, but I think we have to take it a step further. And in the stock market, we'd have to take a step further and say, well, why are you scared to take that shot? If you looked at the chart, you determined if it's at support or resistance, you determined your risk reward ratio, you've also determined your I'm wrong level, where you're going to get out of the trade if you're wrong. Then I would ask, why are you scared to take that shot or take that calculated risk? The only reason you're typically scared to take that calculated risk is you haven't done all the things that I talked about. You haven't looked at the chart. You don't necessarily know why you're buying it. You don't know why this is a good price for the stock. You don't know what industry or business that they're in. And that in itself is a problem, which will make you scared, which will make you delay on taking action. But if you've done all that research, you shouldn't be scared. If you're still scared, um, it also might be because you're buying too big of a position, and if that goes against you, that would hurt you and your family financially. If you're still scared, it might be that you mortgage your house to take that trade when you shouldn't have, and if the trade goes against you, you're going to lose where you live. So it's more about understanding why are you scared than saying some saying or fancy quote to try to make you feel bad about yourself to just buy something, right? Like if a person doesn't understand Bitcoin, I don't like when people are scared money don't make money. It's like, no, no, no. It's not scared money don't make money. They don't understand what they're doing. So rightfully so, they should be scared. But if you actually understand all the risk in what you're doing, I would ask, well, yeah, scared money doesn't like what are you scared of now? I like to say confused money don't make money. I like to say ignorant money doesn't make money because that is what causes the fear. Does that make sense?
Oh yeah, gotcha,
So
gotcha.
that's how I think about it.